Hello everybody. Right, sorry I haven't been around a lot this last week. It's just that as you know, the lockdown is being lifted in the UK. Well, you may know. And I've had to, because I actually own a hair salon. I live above a hair salon, and as I used to work in there for 30 years. So I've been we've been deep cleaning it and getting that all ready for opening today. So I've been a bit sort of tied up this week really with that. And in the evenings, I've worked on a kit that I've been wanting to do for a long time. It's sort of quite vintagey and it's got photographs and different things. So I had a good play. So I hope you like it. There's quite a lot in this kit, and I've done well, what I've done is hard to explain, but I've done one page with bits and pieces, no flowers on the top where I would normally put flowers here, but that's because in the add-on kit there's a decoupage page which you can cut out and put them where you want, which I thought would, it gives you something to do really if you want to do that. Or if not, they still look lovely as they are, I think. I've been meaning to do this for ages, so I've gone and done it. It's quite a big kit, I will say. I think there's nearly 20 in the pages, but I would a few of them at the back are just sort of like these ones that coordinate, which I think there's 4 of these because I couldn't choose which ones. And they all coordinate absolutely beautiful with the kit. Okay, so I've left them in. I couldn't choose which ones, but there's I class these as bonus pages, but they're great for envelopes and pockets and different things, and they go with a lot of other things that you've done, all my other kits and that. So yes, that's what I've done. So I've done one with images and everything on. Okay, sometimes it's 2, it just depends how it works out, and then one that's plain. So you can actually, where again, the add-on kit has got bits of ephemera that you can place yourself and use. Or if not, they would still look great, and you can make envelopes and tags and different things out of them. I've just added it really as a bonus. And that is a plain one. Okay, not overly decorated, this one, but I just thought still looks nice. That's that one. Then there's this one here. And some of these are really old photographs, so. And I placed flowers on this one. That's right, I placed flowers on this one, but that one I didn't. Yeah. And then that one is totally plain. Yeah. And there's this one here. So with photographs and everything, you get all these elements. Yeah, you get all those. You even get the doily. That's my doily, that one. It's actually quite pretty. So, and this is the plain one. Okay. And you've got this one. Again, as a journal page, gonna look cool. Either way there. Yeah. And it's a line page. And then that's the plain one of that. That should be together really. That's the plain one of that. And then this one. So that's that. And then without the bits and pieces. But again, still would be okay for different things that you wanted to make and embellish yourself. That's another line page. And then I've got the 4 of those. Okay, I don't know how they're picking up on colours on the screen, but we've got sort of red one, greeny, sort of taupe, is it called, taupey colour, which went with a lot of the pictures, and a sort of dark blue, but grunged up there. Okay, so that's the main part of the kit. And then the add-on is even, that's huge as well. Oh, I've already cut my flowers out, so put that that on the silhouette this morning. So. Okay, and to get, I hope you can see that, 2 large envelopes. Well, no, 3 actually in this one, because again, I couldn't choose. And I like them all, so I'm adding them. Ooh, papers are a bit slidey there. And that one there. And this is some of the ephemera. Which is one I noticed I haven't put on here, and I must do that. Wait a minute, I think I shall try and find it. And so I thought I would shrink down a couple of the pages as well, so make it easier for people to print that's got iPads, because I know you struggle. It's that one there I don't think I've put in. Looking at it, I just saw that then. I thought, oh no, I actually put that in at the last minute and then forgot to add it to this page, I think. There's a few of these. So there's one there. Another one there with the doily. Yeah. And some pictures. Okay. All a decent, you know, not too big, because you don't want them too big for that. But there we go. And a set of those with the frames that I usually do, but of course smaller. And some there. Some more ephemera. You know, some I haven't used in the kit, and I just sort of found a few bits and I thought, oh, I'll put that in. There. Page of roses cut out. I've particularly tried to get ones that were easy for you to cut out. Yeah. And then some journaling cards. There. Okay. Pockets. That's the 3 pockets that actually go along the page like that way. Okay, and then I've got 2 of those. Okay. Just to fill in really. Pockets. So one goes that way. I like them to the same because if I put them on the page. And then just some little faux stamps. I thought you could add your own stamped image. I can do that, but I think it's quite nice if you, you know, still add your own bits and pieces. And quite good little things for punching out if you need for embellishments. And there's some large jumbo tags. Some sort of what I class as normal tags. And this one can flip over the page. All right, so there. And some tickets and banners and things. And another long one of those. They come in handy actually. And like that. So what I'm going to do, there'll be maybe a couple more pages in this kit, but it'll be shrunken down things. You know, like I'll shrink these tickets down a bit more. Okay, and things like that. And some of the ephemera I'll shrink down again. Yeah, but they're all bonus pages. Okay, so but that is the sort of kit really. Yeah, so it is a big kit, and I think it will make a lovely journal, because I'll tell you where I got the idea from when I made that little journal, 6x4 journal that was like tone on tone, and I really enjoyed making that. So I thought it'd be nice to make a little kit to yeah, sorry, it's a bit of a mess here. That's why I covered it up. I forgot I was talking to you. I usually wait. There we go. You can look at my mess. Yeah. I'm just going to make some tags up. Oh no, I'll give the game away. Yeah, I don't know what I was going to say now. But anyway, I got the idea, I remember now, from the little journal I made, tone on tone one. And I really enjoyed making it. So since then, I've been thinking, I must do a kit, you know, that. And I quite fancy shrinking that kit down. Do you know what I mean? And doing a little journal from it. So maybe an idea. Oh, and I've cut out loads. I'm not saying I'm going to do it yet, but I've cut them out. So if I do want to go and do it, I'll tea stain them and get them all ready. And then I've got the flowers as well, already cut if I go ahead with it. So we shall see. May have a bit of fun because I've done a lot of nature lately, and I think it would be nice to do something like that. But the time I spend about, you know, I do one journal and then I've got to get back to nature. So but I've done a lot recently, especially all the tags and everything. So I think I need a little change. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching then, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.